Is your car hesitating when you step on the gas? Is the transmission shifting hard, lagging, or giving you sudden jerks while driving? Before you panic and think your expensive CVT or automatic gearbox is completely ruined, wait. Most of the time, the problem isn't the mechanical gears. It's just a confused transmission computer, also known as the TCM. Welcome back to Fixpro Garage. Today, I'm going to show you 3 simple methods to completely reset the TCM on almost any car, right at home, for absolutely free. No expensive OBD scanners and no mechanic needed. Let's dive right in. Method number 1 is the universal hard reset. This works on literally 99% of cars on the road today, whether it's a Toyota, Nissan, Honda, or Ford. Here is how you do it. First, make sure your car is completely turned off. Pop the hood and locate your battery. Take a wrench and disconnect the negative terminal, the one with the black cap or minus sign. Do not touch the positive one. Now, leave it disconnected for exactly 15 to 20 minutes. Why? This drains all the residual power from the car's computers, erasing the bad driving habits and glitchy memory stored inside the TCM. After 20 minutes, put the terminal back on, tighten it up, and your transmission computer is completely wiped clean. Method number 2 is the key and pedal trick. This is highly effective for European cars like BMW or Mercedes and Asian brands like Nissan and Mazda. Get inside the driver's seat and make sure all doors are closed. Insert your key and turn it to the on position. This means your dashboard lights up, but the engine is not running. Now, push the accelerator pedal all the way down to the floor, past the click point, and hold it there for 30 seconds. Keep holding it. While your foot is still pressing down, turn the ignition key back to the off position. Only after the key is off, release your foot from the pedal. Now don't touch anything. Just sit quietly in the car for 2 to 5 minutes to let the system finalize the reset. If you have a newer vehicle with a smart key, method number 3 is the push start sequence. This is incredibly common for modern Toyota, Lexus, and Honda models. Here is the secret routine. Keep your foot completely off the brake pedal. If you press the brake, the car will start, which we don't want. Press the engine start button twice until all your dash lights come alive. Immediately stomp on the gas pedal and hold it firmly against the floor for 15 seconds. While keeping your foot down, press the start button one more time to turn the car's electronics completely off. Now, let go of the pedal and wait about 3 minutes before starting your engine. Now, here is a vital tip from the Fixpro Garage. Whichever method you used, the very first time you drive the car after the reset, drive it gently for the first 10 miles. The TCM is in its learning phase, and it needs to learn clean, smooth shifting patterns. Keep in mind, if you try these resets and your car still jerks or slips, you are unfortunately dealing with a mechanical problem inside your transmission, or you simply need fresh CVT fluid. In that case, get it scanned professionally. If this video saved you a trip to the dealership, hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe to Fixpro Garage for more practical, money-saving car fixes. Drop a comment below letting me know which method worked for your car. See you in the next one.